What's going on, everybody? My name is Mike and I'm the owner and one of the DJs at DJI Music and Events, and I want to welcome you to the Weekly 3. Today we're going to be discussing 3 important topics that you should be thinking about before hiring your next DJ. Let's go. Welcome back, everybody, to week 2 of the Weekly 3. What we do at this channel is help you make the best decision when hiring a DJ. There's lots of DJs out there to choose from. We want to help you choose the right way by asking the right questions, by helping you understand what DJs do, what they should supply, and how they should interact with their crowd. If this sounds like it would help you plan your next event, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Let's get this started. Number 1, you need a professional DJ. Let me tell you why. A professional DJ is going to come in with the right equipment, with the right energy, with the right skills to make your event shine. I have heard so many stories where somebody let a friend or a family member take the iPad or the iPhone and hit play. The transition from cutting the cake to a dance was ruined by one simple song. That's all it takes to ruin your event, is for the Wi-Fi not to work on the phone. For example given, and this has happened, I've seen it. You're in an event, I just want you to close your eyes and think about this. You're at an event, music is about to start playing, and the phone rings. That has happened. That's the difference between a professional and a family member or friend. You need a professional DJ for your event. Number 2, contract or no contract. I want to stress this to you. If you're going to hire a DJ, a professional DJ, make sure you get a contract. There are some horror stories that I can tell you. Matter of fact, I will tell you. I had a client who had called me last minute. It was literally 24 hours before their wedding. They called me and they said, hey, I haven't been able to get a hold of my DJ. I paid a deposit, which is important and we will cover soon, and I cannot get a hold of him. He hasn't called. There's no Facebook messages, no Instagram. His website is looking a little off. She was freaking out. She said, can you cover it? Luckily, I was able to cover it. But before I covered, I made her sign a contract. A contract is important because legally now you can go after your wedding or corporate event, whatever you're doing, you can go back and try to find this DJ, especially if you've paid money and you have something that's binding saying we had an agreement. He was supposed to be here at this time, at this venue, with this equipment. He was a no-show. Now you have something you can legally take him to court with. And remember, a contract is protecting you and it's also protecting the DJ. If a DJ does not provide a contract, that should be a red flag for you to look for another DJ. Number 3, this is the most asked question that we have received. How much does the DJ cost? If you go back to week 1 of the Weekly 3, we cover 3 important questions. How many years of experience does the DJ have? Where has he DJ'd? And proof and references. So make sure to go and check out that video up here or in the description box. So you're probably asking yourself, why does DJ A cost $250 and DJ B costs $2,500? With a higher tier DJ, you can expect to pay a higher rate. Years of experience, better equipment, managing your time, managing your crowd, taking stress off of you. And these are some reasons why you would want to go with DJ B. And that was this week's Weekly 3. If this helped you in any way and you enjoyed what you watched, like and subscribe. Make sure to hit the bell notification so that you're given an alert the next time we post another video. And until next time,